As you know, there's been a lot of talk about Nanuku and Veidogo squatter settlements in Vatuwaqa that has been in the media for quite some time. As you know, that land is, of course, owned by the Bhindi family, and they are looking at carrying out some major developments in that area to turn into high-end residential lots, commercial lots, and industrial lots. But of course, we have approximately over 300 families that have been living there as squatters for quite some time. Approximately about 2,500 people. This announcement, as you know, we've been talking to the Bhindi family regarding the development of the land, which will of course be very beneficial to the landscape of Suva and also the economy, and provide a number of opportunities for businesses and commercial interests. But we've been talking to them about the relocation of these people who've been living on that land, and we have had meetings with the squatters who've been living there, and we're quite happy to announce that the Bhindi family has actually agreed to actually develop a site in Makoi at a cost of $12 million to their own family to relocate these families who've been living in the squatter area and give them actually blocks of land that they'll be entitled to have under their own name with a 99-year lease. They've been working with the iTaukei Lands Trust Board, and we're quite happy to announce that this area will have, of course, water, proper water, electricity, roads, garbage collection. All of that will be part of this particular redevelopment. And also, we've also quite happy to say that the members of the community have been informed about it. The Bhindi family had also said that they will contribute $1,000 towards each of the family for the relocation costs itself. We are looking at following the approval of the engineering plans, the scheme plan, etc. has all been approved. Once the engineering plans are done, the works can actually start, and we're looking at somewhere about 9 to 12 months where relocations can actually commence. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to wholeheartedly actually thank the Bhindi family. We have, of course, with us Mr. Vinod Bhindi, who's here with us here. Who's come down from USA. The family is based in USA and has come here to make this announcement. As you know, the approvals have been now given. So I'd like to thank you and your family for this. What they have done actually is set some new standards in respect of not just the proposed commercial industrial development that will take place in Vatuwaqa, but also in respect of how they have been very community driven and have agreed to relocate these squatters who've been there for quite some time to be relocated to Makoi. This will be quite significant for them because they'll get proper leases to the land. They'll be able to mortgage the land. They can build better and nice and concrete homes. Of course, there are some people who are living in the squatters who are actually business people. They're not entitled to this. Some of them are running businesses from there and of course have very high levels of income. But these are the genuine squatters who are there, and they'll be assisted. So thank you once again, and of course his team here in Suva who's been assisting the Bhindi family. And we look forward to the relocation of these people very soon with the assistance we've provided. Thank you. Maybe if I say a few words.
Yes,
I'll get Mr. Bhindi to say a few words.
Yes, this project we are proud to announce that it will be done under my dad's name, Kasanji Naranji Bhindi, who has been the founder of land development in Fiji. He started his work in 1952 as a land developer. We are doing it in his honor, and relocating the family will be spending $12 million plus in developing this land. And what is going to happen is that they have a better lifestyle to live, a proper sewage, water. These are two important things in life that a human being needs, and we will be providing all of that. Of course, seal roads, all amenities will be provided by the family. The project, like AG mentioned, it's about 6 to 9 months in process. We should be groundbreaking then. And definitely we'd like to thank the AG, the government, the native people, and all different departments that has assisted us in getting this project off the ground. We have a long way to go. We need to get the construction going soon. Hopefully weather stays on our side in the next 6 months, and we'll be processing this subdivision about 4 to 5 months. we should have the development complete. Any questions that I could?
Do you have any questions?
When will you start relocating the families?
Once the development is complete and titles are issued, then we'll be relocating them with the title. So they have paper in the hand to go and build their own homes, use their provident fund and other funds that are available to them to have a nice secure home. But once the development is complete, they are able to move in immediately.
And they'll also be entitled to the housing grant that we are giving. As you know, government has announced that those people who earn less than $50,000, if they're building the first home, they're entitled to $15,000 grant. If they're buying the first home, it's $10,000 grant. So all those people will be entitled to a $15,000 grant. They now, of course, will have a title, so they can go to a bank. You have to go through a bank process to get a loan, and we'll contribute the $15,000 towards the building of your home through the loan finance.
Just with regards to the development of the land, just a little clarification on who would incur the costs of the development.
The Bhindi families are incurring the cost of developing the land.
You're looking at approximately $12 million just to develop the land.
Basically, the family is trying to set up a new standard, and hopefully other business houses follow our gesture in relocating the squatters and work for the community.